उसके बाद इसको ऐसे ऊपर में रखते हैं, ठीक है बेटा। अगेन करो बेटा,
डन करो।
उसके बाद फिर एक जगह रखो यहाँ पर। एक बार देख लो मिट्टी कैसे बनाते हैं, फिर उसके अनुसार फिर मिट्टी बनाओगे। नहीं, मिट्टी पहले यहाँ से बनाते हैं, ठीक है, इस जगह से। ये देखो, ये मिट्टी बनाने का तरीका है। दोनों हाथ से मिट्टी बनाने का तरीका देख लो। उसके बाद इससे फिर हम लोग टेराकोटा बनाएंगे।
उत्थान पाद असर, और ये असर आपके शरीर को स्वस्थ रखेगा। और
जैसे हो रहा है ध्यान उसी पर दो, ये नहीं कि आधा इधर आधा उधर। ज्यादा बुद्धिमान बनने की जरूरत नहीं है। करो
फिर से करेंगे और
कम से कम 4 से 5 बार ये फिर पीछे।
आपकी लंबाई को भी बढ़ाने के लिए ये सहायक रहता है।
हाँ,
और स्ट्रेच करेंगे,
पूरा खींचना पड़ता है नीचे से ऊपर तक। लो बेटा,
हाँ, हाथ को इस तरह रखेंगे।
हाँ, सब लोग हाथ को ऊपर करके। उसके जितना हो सके उतना ही अपने से किया जाता है। हाथ को जो है क्लॉकवाइज जो है घुमाइए, और फिर इसको अपोजिट उल्टा करके फिर अपने गर्दन को, मुंडी को ऊपर से करके धीरे धीरे आगे पीछे कीजिए, और फिर दाहिने और बाएं भी 2-2-3।
Alternative toe touch, okay? One down, up, down, up, down. Yes, now see. 1, 2 down, 3, 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretching. Yes. Sideward stretching. Left side. 1, 2. So you can't talk in Hindi, right? मतलब मेरा पूरा वीडियो
Look this side, girls.
They are preparing the green salad and sprout. They brought, children have brought the soaked gram and onion, cucumber, tomato, green chili, coriander, and some mixture. They prepare it along.
This is a home science club.
This is home science activity, and they are preparing a healthy breakfast for us.
Look this side, girls. What are you preparing, girls? Lemon? Oh,
They are preparing lemonade. They have brought
Oh.
lemons, sugar,
Okay.
and cold water. The boys have brought cold water from the RO plant,
Oh.
and they are preparing lemonade for the home science activity.
tell your experience, girls and boys.
Do you love it? Yes.
What did you learn today?
Sir, we have made this healthy salad and
Okay. Good. Nice. Under the guidance of?
Roma ma'am. So clap for her.
So you'll be happy to know that these boys also have contributed. They have cleaned the utensils and cleaned the table. And
Last time also I saw your video or photographs where you were learning to stitch buttons. That's great. Your mothers and later your wives will be very happy with you.
and they happily contributed.
Good.
We are going to detect the presence of stars in green leaves. So what we are doing here, we have taken this beaker filled with water and now I have put some green leaves into this. We'll be boiling the water and after boiling we'll make it cool and after that we'll put some iodine solution on it. And when the part of leaf becomes black or blue, it will indicate the presence of stars into it. Okay? So now I think the leaves are kind of boiled with hot water. Okay? The next we want to perform the next step. So what we are expecting to do, we have to make it cool under tap. Bhargavi, just wash it under the tap water. This is iodine solution. Okay, dear? So what we are going to do, we will take golden leaf and a dropper. We are having a dropper also. We are
Lift the
putting-
leaf, बच्चे.
We are putting some iodine over this. And if it is turning black or blue, it is indicating the presence of stars. Okay? It needs to be heated little more. Just wait for it.
Interesting video of AI. This is a new growing era of AI where we will create the animated video with AI. So here we are creating a script for our AI animated video which will be integrated in our video of AI. After that we will edit the video with the packages which we got and by the help of our IT teacher, AI teacher Patra sir, we are making it very in a new interesting you can say new interesting way that many of in the world that is not many have many packages of that. Now we are going to edit the video, our video, then we will compile our character given. So we are using this character and now we will convert in using letter here.
Other students are also doing the same thing.
Which we have covered the speed by the using of the power of AI. Now we are going to create a compile it in the video.
So today you will be doing poster and slogan writing based on millets. So you know what is the use? What are the dietary benefits of millets? The first one is it improves your gut health. Second, you will get rid of obesity. Suppose if you are suffering from obesity because it is rich in fiber. Then at the same time, it is good for cardiovascular health. That is heart because it contains a lot of magnesium, calcium, phosphorus. At the same time, what else are the benefits? Anyone?
Anxiety and depression. Reduces anxiety.
Yes, it reduces depression and anxiety because it contains an amino acid called tryptophan. Okay? so that improves your health.
We are learning today about our Indian culture. So our culture is made of our mindset, behavior and the lifestyle we follow. India is the richest in the culture because all the cultures, whatever we find in the world, they exist in our country. Ours is the oldest culture where we can see that Rome, Egypt, Greece, these cultures were destroyed with the passage of time. But our Indian culture, it faced various challenges, but is still flourishing and practiced by variety of people.
Slova. Slova का मतलब हुआ word. रुस्की स्लोवा, रूसी word. लेकिन यहाँ है रुस्की स्लोवा. रुस्की स्लोवा. रा को थोड़ा ब्लॉर करके बोलना है. रुस्की स्लोवा. स्लोवा का मतलब हुआ डिक्शनरी, शब्दकोश.
Students, you are learning Russian language. Okay.
रुस्की स्लोवा. तो रूसी शब्दकोश हो गया. नहीं, डिक्शनरी है ना? रूसी शब्दकोश. उसकी स्लोवा. डोम, हाउस, स्टोल, टेबल, स्कूल, चेयर, स्लोवा, वर्ड, स्टारना, पे, रुका, हैंड, अपनो, विंडो.
Festival. Is it celebrated in which state? Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. So it is associated with Kerala. Is it clear? So one of the most auspicious day during the Onam festival.
The rectangle, and we will see the line of symmetry in the rectangle. So we can fold it as horizontally, then we can say that this horizontal line has divided the rectangle into the two equal halves.
Student, you are doing the which activity? Okay.
And again now we will fold it horizontally, then we can see that this rectangle has also divided into the two equal halves.
ये रिकॉर्डिंग मत कीजिए. मैं गलत स्पेलिंग लिख रही हूँ. ओहो. Good morning, student. Today we learn shortcut method for multiplication for two-digit numbers. Method of multiplication for two-digit numbers. 72 and 62. Okay. Sorry, 75 and 62. 75. First we will multiply unit plus number. 5 2s are 10. 0. Carry 1. Then we will do cross multiplication. 7 2s are 14. 6 5s are 13. Total 45. I will write 5 here. Carry 4. 7 6 are 42 plus 4, 46. Answer 46. So directly you can do this multiplication. Okay?
Student, what activity you do here? This is your art and wow. Yes.
Yes, show your friendship. दिखाई कैसे बना रहे हैं? Folded and style. Yes, sir. Yes, everyone look here. How to fold it?
How out of 3, how many you take? 1. So 1 I have taken out of 3. And here also how many apples are there? 3. Out of those 3, how many will you take out? 1. So total how many apples I have taken out? 2. So 1 by 3 of 6 apples is 2 apples.
We are doing the first aid activity.
What are you preparing here, students?
First aid box.
Okay. What equipment will be there in this box?
Basic items for first aid like bandages, tweezers, scissors, tablets like digestives and other basic items.
What is the first aid actually?
First aid is the administration of someone who needs medical help or is ill. So we provide this administration to this person before the medical services arrives at the situation.
Wear your caps.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
What are the things that we are able to see out of the window? Trees, plants, grass, earth. You know, if you pick even lump of earth from outside and then go to Suman ma'am in her bio lab and ask her to keep it under the microscope, what will you find? You will find microbes. There are thousands and thousands of microbes functioning there, moving there. If you go a little deeper, you will find so many ants moving around, working, functioning, carrying their eggs or carrying their food here and there. Then if you go deeper into the plants that are there outside, okay? Plants are having green leaves and plants are sucking water from down below. If you look through those eyes, you'll find that the roots are sucking the water from the earth and sending it up to all the leaves, all parts of the plant. And then you have the leaves, the stomatas are working. We have read in your biology classes. The process is going on. Outwardly it is appearing to be inactive, inaction. आपने सभी ने कहा कि बाहर inaction है, लेकिन उस दृष्टि से जब देखोगे कितना कुछ चल रहा है बाहर, चल रहा है ना, दिख रहा है, अब दिखना चालू हो गया. This is what Lord Krishna is telling Arjuna, that the ones who can see action in inaction. और अगली लाइन में कहते हैं, the one who sees inaction. Inaction. अब ये थोड़ा और कंफ्यूज हो गया, कंफ्यूजन हो गया ना? चलो इसको भी थोड़ा समझते हैं, जो मैं समझाऊं. I may be right or wrong, but what I have understood, I will try to share with you. Action. Action क्या होता है? हम लोग सब स्कूल आए हुए हैं, कोई ऊपर से, अब गूगल मैप हम लोग के पास में सभी का है, लोग ऊपर चले जाएं थोड़ा सा, या ड्रोन की पिक्चर लें, तो थोड़ा सा हम लोग क्या दिखेंगे, क्या चल रहा है? We are all in the school. Parents have gone to the mines. Your fathers have gone to the mines. Mothers are making food in the kitchen. Or maybe now they are resetting the house. Drawing room को सजा रही हैं, कुछ कर रही हैं ना, सब कुछ ना कुछ हम कर रहे हैं. Cattle are grazing. Dogs are walking on the streets or lying. Cows are sitting comfortably.
स्वर निकलेगा. चलो हम लोग प्रैक्टिस करके देखते हैं. ठीक है, आरोह हम लोग करेंगे. सातों स्वर लगते हैं उसमें.
ये टेक्निक है। चितौरिया कराटे में यहीं से ये कर देते हैं इस पे, लेकिन दोनों में अलग चीज़ है। इसका मतलब क्या है बता? यस भैया बताए ना क्या करता है। ये जो ये हो रहा है, ये दो चीज हो रहा है, अभी आगे चल के समझोगे। इसका मतलब है किक को ब्लॉक किए, पहले किक को ब्लॉक किए, फिर ये ब्लॉक किए, समझ गए? एक जगह पे 3 आइटम होते हैं। और यह ब्लॉक ही नहीं है, ये अटैक भी हो सकता है ना। ये ब्लॉक किए, ये किए, ये अटैक भी है यहाँ पे। तो कराटे वाले को हमेशा टाइट रहना है, तब क्या हो सकता है ब्रीथिंग के साथ 10 times, then 40 times.
Today I am going to make a boat with the help of this paper. First we have to fold it in half, and now we have to fold it from this side. Now we have to open this one, and now we have to fold it in triangular shape. And now I am going to fold this side to upward. Now we fold this corner, see this point to this point. Now we will open this and our origami board is ready. Thank you.
Good morning, children. Today in maths activity class we learn about the shortcut tricks for 2-digit numbers multiplication. Okay? And study 72 into 54. First we will multiply ones place number. 4 2s are 8. We have written 8 here. Then we will cross multiply. 7 4s are 28. 5 2s are 10. Add it 38. We write 8 here. Carry 3 will carry. Then 7 5s are 35 plus 3 38. Is it clear for all of you? Again add it. So what we will do? First we will do this multiplication. This one. 5 2s are 10. 0 will write, carry 1. Next. 8 2s are 16. 5 6 are 30. Add it. Add this thing. 47. We'll write 7 here, carry 4. 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48 plus 4 52. Very good. Is it clear for all of you? Next we will do third one. 76 59. You do it. First 6 9s are 54. Carry 5. 7 9s are 63. 6 5s are, add this thing, 98. 8 will write, carry 9. 7 5s are 35 plus 9, 35 plus 9.
4.
Yes. 44. Answer will be 44. Is it clear? Okay? Okay?
Shape of this seat is what? Rectangular. So we will see the line of symmetry in the rectangle. Let us see how we can fold so that this rectangle can be divided into the two equal halves. This is the first fold. We can fold vertically. We have folded it vertically, so you can see that these two rectangles overlap to each other. This is the first line of symmetry, which is the vertical line of symmetry. This is called the vertical line of symmetry. When we fold this side, that means horizontally, so we can get the horizontal line of symmetry. This is the horizontal line of symmetry. Is there any other possible way to fold this rectangle so we can get any other line of symmetry? Let us try. Let us fold it diagonally. When we fold it diagonally, is there these two figures are overlapped to each other? No. And if we fold this diagonal, again this figure has been not overlapped. That means what? That means a rectangle has only two lines of symmetry. One of them is vertical line, another one is the horizontal line of symmetry. Okay? Now, this is all about line of symmetry. What about the rotational symmetry in the rectangle? Do you know what is the rotational?